2016-2017-ish, rice water became a serious trend on YouTube. Everybody was trying rice water. Everybody was trying rice water to grow their hair. But do you actually know where rice water originates from? Who started the trend? Rice water originated from the red Yao women. These women, they have very long hair. So they use this so-called rice water that they bake. They use it to care for their skin and grow their hair long. Like, when I say long, very, very long. Guess what country they are from? Yeah. Just guess what country they are from. Let me know in the comment section if you guessed the country right. You're from China. You're from this village, Longji village in China. And in Longji village, they have a rice. They ferment the rice. They use it to care for their skin and their hair, like I said. I'm going to be telling you 5 ingredients that they have in their rice water when they are making their rice water, and the nutrients that those 5 ingredients contain that are very beneficial for hair growth. The most popular hair growth remedy on YouTube is rice water. Please let me know before we get into this video. Have you ever used rice water before? Have you ever used rice water as a hair remedy or protein treatment on your hair? Let me know in the comment section. Anyway, many people have said and claimed and praised rice water for growing out their hair. On the other side, people don't support using rice water. At the end of today's video, you will know whether you should use rice water or whether you should stop using rice water. What's up, Billion Gang? It's Divine and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming. If you are new here, I'm Divine and welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, you're a gang member. So today's topic is rice water. I decided to try rice water because I've not tried any hair remedy on my hair for a very long time. So I decided, let me try rice water. If you've tried rice water before and you tried fermenting your rice water, you already know that fermenting rice water is very, very gross and smells so bad. The first ingredient, pomelo peels. Now pomelo peels, when I searched on them, they look like tangerine. Do you know tangerine? Yeah, those are what pomelos are. So the peels of pomelo, or maybe orange or citrus, so the peels of pomelo, they put it in their rice water, and do you know the effect of these pomelo peels is going to activate this fermented gross smell. So the pomelo peels would deactivate the smell, like the horrible smell. It is also going to provide vitamin, and this vitamin is vitamin C. The citrus family, they possess vitamin C. It's going to help in 2 ways. Just like me, who makes rice water and the whole house is like, Divine, what did you do? The whole house is smelling rice water. Please try adding citrus peels, orange peels, lemon or pomelo peels to your rice water next time you want to make your rice water. The next ingredient I'm talking about is tea bran. Now if you watch my last video or the video before that video, you know I already talked about how stress affects your hair growth. Even though many people don't take that into consideration, it's very important, especially the older you get. Tea bran, like I said, tea bran contains caffeine, and caffeine has antioxidants which can also help regulate your hormones, especially if you are stressed out. So try adding tea brands to your rice water, or just adding green tea or black tea to your rice water the next time you are doing your rice water. Next ingredient I'm talking about, which I was so shocked, like, because in my father's house we have like a bunch of them like planted behind. Ginger. Wow, like they use ginger on hair too. Ginger possesses antioxidant agents that can also help reduce oxidative stress in your body and cholesterol levels. Okay, we're not eating ginger, but this is our scalp we're talking about, so we're directly getting the nutrients to our scalp. So I was like, so ginger actually even helps with this. Like, that's why these people also add it. The next ingredient this Yao women add to their rice water, it's called 40 or Heishowu. I don't speak Chinese. I just hope you understand what I said. Heishowu or 40 or fleece flower roots. This ingredient it looks like clove per se. This, but I'm not saying it is clove. I just said it looks like clove. So this ingredient is very important, because if you study these red Yao women, look at their hair, you will notice that they have very dark hair, very, very dark and long and thick hair. Now this 40 contains anti-aging qualities, and this anti-aging agent helps shine their hair, helps reduce aging in their hair. So their hair is looking very dark, luscious, shiny. Their hair is what they call hair goals. It's looking healthy, very healthy. Last and most important ingredient that they add to their rice water is rice. I kept it last because everybody knows you need rice for rice water. I'm going to show you how I made my own rice water because I don't have all those things I just mentioned. But I just want you to understand that next time you're making your rice water, make sure you add either of these ingredients that you can get to reduce the smell of the horribleness. Also to add some other nutrients to your hair. So now let me talk about rice. Rice itself, when these red yellow women are making their rice water, the first thing they do is to wash the rice. When they now wash the rice, the water they get from washing the rice, they will put it inside the pot. When they put this water that they used to wash the rice inside the pot and they are boiling it, they will now put their peels, the pomelo peels I told you about, or tangerine or orange or citrus or lemon. They will now put it inside and boil it. When they've boiled it, they will add their ginger, they will add their tea bran, they will add their 40 or heshewu. When they boil it all together, allow it to cool down. When it cools down, in short, I even saw them tasting it. I'm like, these people are tasting this thing, like, seriously? When it cools down, they will now cover it up and allow it to ferment for 2 weeks. If you want to get the effectiveness from your rice water, you should allow it to ferment for at least 2 weeks because it's just like palm wine. It has to ferment because it's fermented. Like the longer it ferments, the more effective it is. Just think of it like alcohol. The longer it ferments, the more effective it is. So today is Saturday. I want to go out. I was supposed to wash my hair this morning, but I was watching a French movie. Now I'm gonna have to wash it tomorrow. And I'm going out. I want to present table, so I'm gonna do something with the hair. So tomorrow I'm now going to wash the hair. To help me God. To help me God. So what we're going to is the Jollof Festival, yeah? Jollof Festival. This is 1 o'clock. This thing is starting by 12. 1 o'clock. I still never leave house. I love you, Lord. Oh, I love you, Lord. So what we're gonna do? What we gonna do? Yeah. Let's take this point here. Let's take it back. So now it's better. The hair is not to my face now. So I'm doing my editing and so that I can do it just to wait. Except this is what I use. This is what I use. Alright, so my dead light died. This is what we are working with because I cannot come on that.
But if I do braids, my bonnet is different.
Now because of my braids. And even that braids last one said, even that braids. Alright, let it cook. Let it cook. So I just finished my hair care session. Thank you, Saja. Thank you, Kike, for coming on my hair care session. After I keep the rice water, I'm going to wrap my hair with polythene bag and scarves. Then my bonnet. I'm going to keep that for like 45 minutes to 1 hour. When I wash the hair, I'm going to detangle and braid it. I don't know how it's going to pan out, but You see everything when it comes together.
Every day I wake up, I'm just trying to feel my feet, trying to feel anything. But then I see you over there smiling, and it all comes back, it's rushing in. I've been trying to find my nerve endings. Won't you come on over late?
Yes, happy new month. This is November. And if you're not a part of my hair growth challenge, where have you been? No, tell me, where exactly have you been? Because I want to know. Bless the Lord Jesus. So please, if you aren't already, make sure you join the hair growth challenge. I'm going to leave the link in the description and the comment section of this video. If you haven't, make sure you upload your photos for October. You will see my photos. I want to see your progress. I want to encourage you. You didn't take any photo in October, make sure you start taking photos in November. Even if your hair is an extension,
You cannot achieve progress without making any action.
so I really want to see your progress this month. So what I just recorded was not recording. Make sure you like the video physically and not emotionally. Please. I don't even know how to repeat everything I just said again. A big shout out to Nana Madan Soa for being the first one to comment on my last video. And thank you guys so much for the likes. Thank you for the shares. Thank you so much. Make sure you like this video physically. Don't forget to. So that YouTube can push it out to more people who actually need this video. Because I hope these videos are helping you. Since you are still watching this video, it's going to be our little secret. Comment your favorite type of rice. Yes, comment your favorite type of rice. In Africa, we have different type of rice. We have jollof rice, fried rice, coconut rice, palm oil rice, concussion rice. Comment your favorite type of rice in the comment section. My favorite type of rice is fried rice. Yeah, not jollof rice. If you be trying rice water, please let me know in the comment section. If you have any other thing you want to share, please let me know in the comment section. Let's help each other. Let's scratch each other's back. My take on this is that don't overdo your rice water. Do it, but don't overdo it. Alright, I wish you growth. And if you haven't watched last week's video, make sure you watch last week's video.